so sad, isn't it, to see clips like that? And, I mean, it breaks your heart every time you do it.
What's that, Bree?
Heartbreaking to hear that sound, the all chocolate Labrador there, crying its heart out, trying to get the owner to come back to it. Very, very sad, but all too common, unfortunately.
But our survey, and the study particularly that we did at the end of
Bree.
I'm Mr. Wolf.
You watching telly?
I understand your house sustained fire damage. I think I should take you to Germany for a little ride. But you didn't do anything. The landlord says you did.
No.
Yes. You agreed with him that if the house became uninhabitable, the rep line would pick up the tab for alternative accommodation.
Yay.